Let's look at some examples of calculations involving mass volume percent. So the equation, mass volume percent equals the mass of the solute, which must be in grams, and the volume of the solution, which must be in milliliters, times 100%. So the first sample problem, a pharmacist adds 2 mils of distilled water to 4 grams of a powdered drug. The final volume of the solution is 3 mils. What is the percent as a mass volume of the solution? So we need to find the numbers in the question that we're going to use. So a pharmacist adds 2 mils of water. So that is the volume of solvent, which is not relevant. Right? We only want the volume of solution. Then 4 grams, so that's the mass of the solute. And the final volume of solution, 3 milliliters. So we've got a mass of 4.00 grams, a volume of 3.00 milliliters, and we're asked to find the percent. So remember that your units always have to be grams and mils. So we'll do a check, and yes, those are the units that we have. So we can move on to the equation, right? Mass of solute over volume of solution times 100% gives us a 133% mass volume solution. Let's look at another example. Many people use a solution of trisodium phosphate, Na3PO4, commonly called TSP, to clean walls before putting up wallpaper. At least they did a while ago. I'm not sure anyone still uses wallpaper. But the recommended concentration is 1.7% mass volume. So what mass of TSP is needed to make 2 liters of the solution? So let's find the numbers in the question. So we've got that one and this one. So we've got the concentration, and then we have a volume. So the percent mass volume is 1.7%. The volume is 2.0 liters, and we're asked to find the mass. So before we start, we need to check on the units. So we need grams and milliliters. Because we're finding mass, as long as we use milliliters for volume, the mass unit will be grams. But we don't have milliliters right now, we have liters. So the first thing you need to do is convert that liters to milliliters, right? And there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter, so that's 2,000 milliliters. Or if you wanted to put it to the correct significant figures, you would need to put it into scientific notation. So then we plug the numbers into the formula. The percent equals mass over volume times 100%. So 1.7% equals m over 2,000, 2.0 times 10 to the 3 times 100%. So now we need to do a little bit of algebra and rearranging here. So first thing is you can divide both sides by 100, which is essentially converting that percent into a decimal. So we got 0.017 equals m over 2.0 times 10 to the 3. Now we're going to multiply both sides by 2.0 times 10 to the 3, or cross multiply that 2.0 times 10 to the 3. So we've got 0.017 times that 2,000. So we get an answer of 34, and the unit, because it's defined by the equation, is grams.